So, you're an Ohio trucking company, for example, and you want to hire a driver that lives in Nebraska. What do you do for taxes? Hi, my name's Mike. I'm the president of Superior Trucking Payroll Service, and I want to help you answer that. So this driver lives in Nebraska, doesn't want to pay Ohio tax, never even really comes to your terminal. So you got to decide what to do. Well, you've got a couple options. One of them is to tell them, nope, you're paying Ohio tax, work it out with your tax guy. It's a legally okay answer. The problem is you might lose the driver. So now you've got a driver retention problem. Another option is what's called courtesy withholding. Courtesy withholding is where you withhold taxes in a state where you really don't do anything. And so you don't worry about unemployment, all that stuff. You can do that in Ohio if you're a company with a single dispatch office. And also all their work comes from Ohio, even if they don't pick up and deliver there. What you can do is you register with, in this case, Nebraska for courtesy withholding, and then have it calculate. You have to follow Nebraska's tax tables and calculate it all out, what they owe, and remit it on the schedule that the state requires. But you can absolutely do that. Ohio won't have a problem with you. Nebraska, I'm sure, will be happy to get the money, and you'll have a happier driver because they don't have to mess with this on all their tax stuff at the end of the year and boost up their tax bill for getting their taxes prepared. One potential problem that comes in it is because now you're registered with Nebraska, Nebraska might try and suggest that you owe income tax there for your business. So be prepared for that. Typically, if you apportion it out anyway by your mileage, and talk to your tax advisor about all these things, but if you apportion, you are paying Nebraska a little bit anyway. So it's not a big deal, but just something to be advised of. If you're curious about apportionment in general for your state taxes for your company, it's a separate video, but reach out to us and we'll recommend someone to you to talk to. We've got a number of great experts in this area that we work with all the time. I know sometimes these state tax laws sound confusing. If you have a question, we'd love to try and help you. So call us if you have a question, use the contact form, whatever you can do, and we'll be happy to try and help you find an answer that works best for you.